No time to build an online business. Sarah sat at her kitchen table, sipping lukewarm coffee, her eyes scanning the never-ending to-do list in front of her. Between her full-time job, caring for 2 kids, and managing the household, the days blurred into one chaotic cycle. The idea of starting an online business seemed laughable. Where would she even find the time? But the thought lingered. Sarah longed for something more, a way out of the daily grind. She wanted the freedom to spend time with her family, travel, and live life on her own terms, not according to her boss's schedule. One day, while scrolling through her phone during a rare 5-minute break, she came across a story. A woman, just like her, had built an online business, working only 2 hours a day. Sarah raised an eyebrow. 2 hours? I don't even have 2 minutes, she muttered to herself, but curiosity tugged at her. The next evening, instead of mindlessly watching TV, she spent an hour diving into the details. What she discovered shocked her. The system was almost fully automated, requiring minimal time upfront and the opportunity to earn. As she learned, it wasn't the impossible mountain she'd built up in her head. A week later, Sarah took the plunge. She carved out 2 hours, usually reserved for Netflix, and started building her business. It wasn't long before she saw results. Her first sale popped up while she was driving her kids to soccer practice. The best part? She was still doing all the things she loved, with more freedom and less stress. Sarah realized it wasn't about having the time. It was about making the time. She wasn't sacrificing her family or her sanity. She was investing in their future. If Sarah could do it, so could you. What would you do with just 2 hours a day? Comment ready if you would like to change your life, and I will drop the info.